Right, let's do question 11a. In the diagram, the equation of the circle with center C is given as x squared plus y squared minus 12x minus 4y plus p is equal to 0. AO, OB, and AB are tangents to the circle. Right, so we have to remember the tangent theorems, okay, or the properties of tangents. Right, B is the point that is given. X at B is 12, and then y at B is 0. Determine the value of P. Right, we are given the equation of what? Of a circle there. So let's write it in standard form. Remember that the equation of a circle in general is x minus a squared plus x minus b squared is equal to radius squared. So let's write this equation in this form. And then how do we do that? We have to complete the square. Okay, so we have x squared minus 12x. Let's bring those together. X squared minus 12x. And then we have y squared. Then minus 4y is equal to, then we transpose p, becomes negative p like that. Okay, and then we complete the square. How do we do that? It's very easy. Find half of negative 12, which is negative 6, and then you add it on both sides of the equation. Sorry, before you do that, you have to square it. Becomes negative 6 squared, then you add it on both sides of the equation. So it's going to be x squared minus 12x, then plus negative 6 squared. Right, let me write it here. Then minus p plus negative 6 squared. Then we come to these two. Y squared minus 4y. That will be y squared minus 4y. And then plus, find half of negative 4, which is negative 2. You square it and then add it on both sides of the equation. So it's negative 2 squared and then plus negative 2 squared like that. Okay. And then when you factorize this, okay, I wrote this intentionally, right? It's very easy. You can use x squared minus 12x plus 36, but it will just give you this x minus 6. So you just take your x, you take the minus 6, and then become squared like that. Then plus, same thing here, take the y, take the negative 2, y minus 2, okay, then squared like that. But if you want, you can have y squared minus 4y plus 4. But still, we're going to get y minus 2 times y minus 2, which is y minus 2 squared. So this is equal to negative p, and then plus 36 plus 4, that is plus 4d. Okay, so this is our equation in standard form. Then now this is equivalent to r squared. Then what is our radius? Right, we're told that OA, OP, and AP are tangents. So it means here this is going to be perpendicular to OB because tangent is perpendicular to radius. Okay, and then the coordinates of C, from the equation we can see that the coordinates of C are what? Are 6 and 2 like that. So now what is this distance, the radius here? Okay, this is on the x-axis, meaning that y is 0. So meaning that the radius is 2. Okay, 2 minus 0 there. Okay, right, so it means radius is 2. So meaning that this negative p, this one, negative p plus 40 is equal to 2 squared, because should be equal to radius squared. And then negative p plus 40 is equal to 4. And then we can say 40 minus 4 is equal to p. So p is equal to 36.